Hi, my name is Shivaxi, and this is a cooking channel now. You think I'm kidding? Oh, one second. This is actually the wrong attire. I will be right back. There we go. That's better. There we go. So, today, we're going to be making a very special, I think a sort of underrated meal that not a lot of people know about. And it's called Suddenly Salad. Whoa! I don't know what it. I was talking to like Tarvis about this, and he's like, "What the fuck is Suddenly Salad?" I don't know why a lot of people haven't heard of this. Like, hang on. There we go. Wasn't bright enough. Anyway, so it's supposed to be like a salad pasta, but I make it in a really weird way that I'm going to now show off in this video. That's gonna get 1 million likes and views. I just bet. This is really the direction I've been wanting to take my channel for quite a while. Also not sponsored by Betty Crocker, don't worry. But if you want to hit me up, Betty Crocker. McCrocker. So, what do I need? Clean dishes would be a good start. Fuck. Ah, wait. I did do the dishes. Okay. So the way you're supposed to make this, right, is you're supposed to make it like a cold salad, a pasta salad. Fuck that shit. I make it hot, like a fucking hot meal, alright? Spicy. Listen, I do weird things to it, alright? Don't question. There's no need to call the authorities. There's nothing else to this video, guys. No, I'm seriously gonna just be cooking one of my favorite meals. That's it. You want to go to another video? Now's the time to fucking go. Because nothing else is happening here other than me cooking a fucking... What am I doing with my life? Oh. There was a tea bag in my dish. I forgot to empty one of the cups. Ejected! So because nobody wants to sit here and watch water boil for 10 minutes, we're gonna...
Fast forward, skip ahead.
Also, I'm actually gonna change again because it's a little too hot to be wearing a jacket in the kitchen. I know it's a lovely suave fucking jacket, but like, give me a break, guys, alright? It's hard looking this good all the time. Could actually go with a different shirt, even. I got this this really nice blue one, maybe? Match the blue hat. Poof! Look at that. I opened the wrong one. I meant to do the creamy Italian. So here's the thing. They come in a lot of really cool different, like, flavors. So this one's creamy L'Italian, and this one is the Le Caesar. That I opened, I meant to do the Italian one. That doesn't fucking matter. So I add my own shit to this meal here, okay, right? So I take cheese and garlic croutons, all right, and I pour a bunch in this bowl here that I'm gonna show you. So this is gonna be my mixing bowl where when the noodles are finished, I put the noodles. Pour some of this fucking shit in there. That was actually probably way too many. Oh, so good. So I got my croutons, and then what I do, right, is I want to crush it up as like a thing for the salad, the noodles, the pasta. So I take good old Mr. Clean here. I don't know what kind of brand of paper towels I have. I fold this up, and then I put it like this so that it doesn't go anywhere, and then I crush all the croutons. Like so. Wow, that's some amazing fucking cooking skills you got there, Shivaxi.
Please, teach me your ways.
Also, shit, I'm actually running out of hard drive space on this fucking camera. God damn it. So before the video cuts out, there. It's all nice and crushed up, okay? It's gonna be very nice. And then, we gotta get a few things. So we're gonna have some motherfucking garlic, motherfucking Parmesan cheese, and motherfucking olive oil, boy.
Hell yeah!
Now, if I did the correct one that I wanted to do in the first place, this one you do with mayonnaise, right? And so you make like a creamy mayonnaise sauce with the everything, because it has like a season pack that it comes with. Like, look, this one has, here's the noodles, right? And then it has the special sauce, man, special season pack. But we are not putting mayonnaise in the Caesar one. What will he do next, they ask? I have no idea because I'm fucking insane. Oh look, then it ran out of space. So now shitty handheld phone camera video. Yay! This is the most entertaining video I've ever fucking made. I'm not even looking at it right now. Aren't you guys just so fucking glad you subscribed? Like, seriously, honestly. See, if I was doing this one, you get to see me mix mayonnaise and olive oil together because that's Oh, I'm just weird like that. All right, so now on cooking lessons from somebody who doesn't really know how to cook. The noodles are just about done, and I actually don't like to cook them all the way. I like a little bit of like, you know, I don't like soggy noodles. I really hate soggy noodles, okay? Put that in there like a bitch. Do. There we go. Like my noodles to have a little bit of a, not a crunch, but just, you know, I want to feel like I'm chewing something that wasn't made for a baby, you know what I mean? So now we just throw this right on top of the le crouton. See, this would be the part where you go to make it cold. While it's in the strainer, you'd run cold water over it. Fuck that shit. Hot noodles, bitch. Fucking Betty Crocker, you don't fucking shit. Again, I wanted to do it with the other one, the non-Caesar one, because this is the one that actually already comes with croutons. So now I'm just getting like double the fucking crouton-y goodness. I guess that's alright, you know, I don't know. I'm not really complaining. I'm complaining a little bit. So do that, get a fucking olive oil, and I love like a shit ton of fucking olive oil. So get a nice big old spoonful of garlic there, and this one just actually goes right into my mouth. Oh, some good shit. All right, now we put some garlic into the come on. Okay, it's good shit. Grab a good old spork, and now we start this fucking thing up. Damn it, I really wanted the one with the fucking mayonnaise. Fuck. Why did I open the wrong box? God damn it, me. I guess technically I could add mayonnaise to this. Make some sort of like saucy, creamy, whatever. I don't know. I really don't give a damn that much, actually. And now, for the taste test. Oh, look at that. So fucking good. Look at that shit. You don't understand how fucking good that is. Holy shit. This is my new phone, by the way, so I don't... Oh, the camera's there, okay. I hope it's looking at me. I don't fucking know. Cheese time. Oh, and no, this isn't just Parmesan cheese. This is Levio Assaggio and Romano and Parmesan cheese. It's like all of them in one, so get fucking wrecked, okay? Alright, pretty good. Throw that shit in there. And I always add extra olive oil because the cheese likes to soak up the olive oil. Alright, now watch out. The cheese I just added might make me have some like epic fucking nuclear foodgasm, so oh, my crouton, hey, just stand back, alright, just stand back. I warned you.